In this quick video, I want to show you how to factory reset any commercial air blower. And it doesn't matter if you have a Tornado like this, if you have a DeWalt, if you have a Bizzle. There's many different brands and they all pretty much reset with the same concept. So first things first is you want to make sure that it's unplugged from the wall. And you may be resetting it because you have a glitch or for some other purpose. But if you've had it running and it's been plugged in for any length of time, go ahead and keep it unplugged. And then keep it unplugged for a good 30 minutes, and that will do a soft reset. Next thing what I want you to do is I want you to check the body of the commercial air blower, and a lot of them will have a black or red GFCI switch. It's like a thermal switch, and it basically comes on in case there's like an electric surge, but it also serves as a reset button. So this particular one, the Tornado doesn't have them, but just check all around the body, and if you see one, what you want to do is most likely it's popped out and you want to pop it back in. It's usually red or black. It's a GFCI switch. Now the next thing what I want you to do is while it's unplugged, I want you to about 5 or 6 times go through the power cycle 5 or 6 times like this. And then after you do that, what I want you to do is plug it back into the wall. And of course, with a commercial blower, you always want to keep it into a wall outlet and not an extension cord if possible. All right, and again, we're going to go 4 or 5 times this way. And if you have like a little glitch, a lot of times that will fix the issue. But that's how you reset it. And for whatever reason, if your air blower is not working, make sure to check that wall outlet, make sure it isn't tripped up. And if it is, you might need to try a different item on that, like a drill or something on that outlet. And if it doesn't work, then you know it's not your commercial air blower, it's the outlet itself. Or you can go to the wall outlet or go to the circuit breaker, let's say in your home, and see if there's any buttons that are tripped up. And that a lot of times will be the issue. All right, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section which one you have. Do you have a DeWalt? Do you have a Tornado? Do you have a Bizzle? There's many different brands. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.